This is the level pack and simulation system I am working on. I'm eventually going to write a tutorial on this where we write the code for this and integrate it into the main game, but I just want to show you what's in store. So basically we have different types of bombs. We have these things called spark pins, we have laser diodes, cross bombs, and box bombs. Some of them are proximity mines, some of them work more like a landmine. We have different material types with different strengths and properties. This is the explosion aspect of the system. And when we have a gigantic tile destroyed by a tiny bomb, there's going to be some fractal striation and cracking of the geometry. And this is kind of neat. Ooh, look at me draw stuff. So if you're looking at this, you might notice that there are 13 levels to a level pack, and each level is 64 by 64 small tiles, but there's all these other powers of 2 tiles as well. So I'm not going to get into all of it. You can actually play this right here. If you download this source code, it's going to be right here in documentation hotel 13. Just open up hotel13.htm. We are going to code this. We're going to code this eventually, but it's way in the future. I just want to get you excited to what we have in store for the future.